Hello students, in this video I am going to explain you algal pigments and their role in classification of algae. Students, let's know how you can introduce the topic algal pigments. Students, the color of algal thallus is due to presence of a definite chemical compound called pigment. And algae shows great diversity in pigment composition, as each pigment has its own characteristics color and each division of algae has its own combination of pigments and own color. So pigment present in algae can be used to classify algae. The color of algal cell is mainly due to dominance of one pigment over the others. Students, main pigments found in algal cells are of three types, that is chlorophyll, carotenoids and phycobilians. Carotenoids are further of two types, that is carotenes and xanthophylls. And phycobilians are also of two types, that is phycocyanin and phycoerythrin. Students, chlorophyll is the main photosynthetic pigment in algae, while carotenoids and phycobilians they function as a accessory photosynthetic pigment and they act as a donor of light energy to chlorophyll A. Detail of each these types of pigments we will discuss in our next video. Students, on the basis of pigment composition, you can see algae are mainly three main types, that is red algae, and you can see very clear red color of these algal types, that is Gelidium and Polysiphonia. They can be of green types. You can see here images of Alba and Chlamydomonas. Very clearly they are green in color. And third main category is brown algae. And you can see in images Sargassum and Laminaria, they are brown in color. Next is location of pigments, that is plastids. Students, usually algal pigments are located inside the plastids. But in Cyanophyta, that is prokaryotic in nature, lack plastids. So pigments are located inside the lamellae and these lamellae are known as photosynthetic lamellae. A variety of pigments in algae shows absorption of light energy of different quality and intensity. It is then converted into chemical energy during photosynthesis. Students, chlorophyll is made up of a substance called protochlorophyll, which is converted into chlorophyll only in light. Chlorophyll A gives bluish color when dissolved in ether, acetone and chloroform, while chlorophyll B gives pure yellow color when dissolved in ether, acetone or chloroform. Students, plastid are of two main types. Plastid are double membrane structure of the cells and are of two types, that is leucoplast and chromoplast or chromatophores. These can be differentiated as leucoplast are colorless plastid while chromatophores or chromoplast are colored plastid. Plastid containing both chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B are of chlorophyll and these are represented by Charophyta, Euglenophyta and Chlorophyta, while the plastid containing only chlorophyll A and lacking chlorophyll B are in chromoplast. Students, chlorophyll dominated plastids are chloroplasts while pigment other than chlorophyll predominance are chromatophores or chromatoplast. Form of the chloroplast or chromoplast in algae. Student, there is a great diversity of chloroplast or chromoplast in algae. They can be cup-shaped in Chlamydomonas, discoidal in Charales, parietal in Rhodophyta, girdle-shaped or C-shaped in Eulothrix, basin-shaped or ribbed in Bulbocales, reticulate in Udogoniales, spiral or ribbon-shaped in Spirogyra, while stellate in Zygnema. Students, this is very important topic, that is form of chloroplast, and you can expect a short answer question or 1 marks question in your competitive exams. Next is distribution pattern of pigments in algae. Students, due to different composition of pigment, algae are mainly classified into following 6 main groups. First one is chlorophyce, and it is green in color, and color composition or pigment composition in chlorophyce is chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, beta carotenes and xanthophylls. Second is xanthophyce, and here major pigments are chlorophyll A, beta carotene and xanthophylls. Third is basilarophyce, and pigment composition here is chlorophyll A, chlorophyll C and beta carotene. In Phaeophyce, that is brown algae, you can find chlorophyll A, chlorophyll C1, chlorophyll C2, fucoxanthin, beta carotene and xanthophylls. In Rhodophyce or red algae, you can find chlorophyll A, chlorophyll D, beta carotene, phycoerythrin and phycocyanin. In Myxophyce, you can find chlorophyll A, beta carotene, phycocyanin and phycoerythrin. So students, mainly the three main categories, that is green algae, it comprises chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. Brown algae, it is known by composition of chlorophyll C along with chlorophyll A, while red algae, it is known due to presence of chlorophyll D along with chlorophyll A or other pigments. In concluding remarks, I must say that algae show great diversity in pigmentation. Green, red, yellow and blue color are found in marine and freshwater algae. Different groups of algae have different and specific pigment composition. Pigment found in specialized plastid called chromatophores. Distribution pattern of pigment has great taxonomic significance. So the classification proposed by Fritzsche is primarily based on algal pigmentation. All major algal groups have at least one characteristic pigment in their cells. So students, that's all about the introduction of algal pigments. In next video, I will explain to you detail of each of these pigments, that is chlorophyll, carotenoids and phycobilins. So that's all. I hope you understood this topic. Thank you for listening.